get this installed. If you look right here, you're going to see a 10mm headed bolt, and then of course there'll be another one located at the top of the lens. Let's remove those. Go ahead and grab that assembly, give it a little tug. It's going to want to draw out in this direction, so just kind of grab it, see if you can pull out and straight away. If for some reason you can't, you could try using a trim tool, a nice plastic trim tool, and try to come in between here. Just be careful for your paint. Now you can see the back, and we can see our wiring harness. We need to disconnect this as well. If you look right here where my thumb is, you can see a little squeeze tab, of course around the spider webs. We're just going to squeeze that tab, and it should pop off. Take a peek, make sure you don't see any funny colors. This looks great. Let's continue. Now it's time for the install. Boy, does this look nice. I'm going to grab this connector, I'm going to turn it, try pushing it. So now that we have that connected in, I'm going to put in my little tabs and slide this in straight. Okay, I have the tabs lined up along the side. Now we're going to take our two mounting bolts. We'll start them both in before we tighten either of them down. Both of those are nice and tight. Let's close the tailgate. Now we're just going to check to make sure it lines up all around where it should. It's mounted properly. This looks great. At this point, the process would be the same for the other side. And of course, we're going to check to make sure it functions as it should.